Hi everyone, this is Shailaja with you from Shy Max Kitchen Diaries. Welcome to my channel. Today I am here with a new created fish biryani recipe which is my family's favorite, and this recipe was asked by my subscriber Harini. So why are we waiting? Let's go into the kitchen and start cooking my delicious and the tasty fish biryani. The first step is to marinate the fish. For this you will need 1 kg fish. I have used kingfish, but you can use any fish of your choice. You will also need 2 teaspoons ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon salt and 3 tablespoons lemon juice. Place the fish in a bowl. Add all the ingredients for the marinade and mix well. Rub the marinade onto the fish such that all the pieces get coated evenly. Let the marinade rest for about half an hour. Now we need some fried onions. Take a pan of oil and add 1 tablespoon ghee. While the oil is getting hot, slice 3 onions finely and drop them into the hot oil. Fry the onions until they turn golden brown. This is the part that I love the most, the aroma of the fried onions. Transfer the fried onions to another vessel and crush them slightly. We will now fry the fish. Pour 3 serving spoon oil in a frying pan and heat it. Gently place the marinated fish into the oil. Fry the fish for about 5 minutes on each side. The fish will turn golden brown and become slightly hard. Transfer the fish from the pan to a plate, draining away the oil. Next, we will make the fish gravy. Add some water to 1 cup coconut milk powder and mix it well, turning it into a smooth liquid without any lumps. To a vessel of 3 serving spoons hot oil, add 2 finely sliced onions. Once the onions get soft, add 4 cardamoms, 8 cloves, 2 cinnamon sticks, 10 finely chopped green chilies, and 3 sprigs curry leaves. Mix well. Add 6 teaspoons ginger garlic paste and fry for about a minute. Add 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and 2 teaspoons coriander powder. Then add 2 heaped teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder and salt to taste. Add a handful of finely chopped coriander and 10 tablespoons lemon juice. Mix well and add 3 tablespoons yogurt, mixing well again. Add the coconut milk and cook for about 10 minutes. Gently drop the fried fish into the gravy. And pour some gravy over the pieces of fish. Add 3/4 of the fried onions. OMG, this smells so good. Cover and cook for a minute. Then turn off the stove. Now let's cook the rice. Soak 1 kg basmati rice for 30 minutes and add 15 to 20 cloves, 10 cardamoms, 3 to 4 cinnamon sticks, 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon shai zira, 60 ml oil and salt to taste. Mix all the ingredients well and transfer the vessel to a stove. Cook the rice until 80% done. Then strain the rice using a strainer. Now for the final step. Place the rice and fish in layers in a vessel. Even as you are layering the rice and the fish, you can get the aroma coming out from them. Sprinkle some coriander and fried onions and cover the vessel. Cook on low flame for 10 to 12 minutes and turn off the stove. The fish biryani is now ready to be served. By the way, the whole D block can get the smell of this biryani. Plate the biryani, garnish with some coriander, onions and lemon, and you are ready to go. Enjoy!
Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click on the bell icon to receive notifications of future updates. Stay tuned to my channel for many more exciting, delicious, tasty recipes coming up. Bye for now.